Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a Nykaa shopping haul video. Now there was a huge sale going on Nykaa, and it was a hot pink sale, I guess, which was from 21st to 26th of July, and now the sale is over. So I was waiting for the sale to go live, and I had kept some products on my wish list so that I can buy them whenever the sale would come live. So now I have bought it. I want to share my reviews with you guys, because the products which I have bought, it's not like I don't like them. I have, first of all, I have read about the products, and then I bought it because obviously if I want to spend my money on something, then I have to do my research and then I will buy it. So now the products which I'll be showing you guys are like one of my, are like my holy grail products, my favorite products. So if you want to buy them and if you want to check them out after watching this video, then you can definitely go for it. And the products which I'll be showing in this video are not particularly from beauty products or something like that. I'll be telling you guys about some beauty products and some skincare as well. So, and whatever I have also updated about these products on my Instagram as well. If you don't follow me on Insta, then please do. I'll leave my Instagram handle somewhere in the screen, so you can definitely check it out. Now without further ado, let's get started. Now first of all, I'll be going through some of the beauty products which I bought, and after that the skincare will follow. So the first product which I'll be talking to you guys about is a bronzer. So now this bronzer, I've been waiting to buy it for a long time, because I was a bit like perplexed whether I should go for it or not. But then I read the reviews, and the reviews were very nice, and also the cost of this bronzer was around 750 bucks, but in the sale I got it around 500, I guess. So yeah, the bronzer is L'Oreal Paris Back to Bronze, and it's in the shade Sunkiss. So it's a very good bronzer, and the smell is amazing. It feels like that you're on a beach and you're just enjoying and chilling. So it's a very good bronzer, guys. So basically why we use bronzer is that to sculpt your face, so cast a shadow so that your face looks slim. So that's why we use the bronzer. So this is one of the best bronzer, I think, in the market, drugstore bronzer basically. Otherwise in high end you will find many bronzers which are good, but in drugstore I think this is one of the best, so you should definitely go for it. Now the second product which I'll be talking to you guys about is a contour stick, and it's from K Beauty. It looks like this. So I don't remember the shade actually, but I'll leave the shade and all the details of the product which I'll be sharing with you guys in the description box below, so you can definitely check it out. Now this contour stick is a very good contour stick for the beginners. If you don't know much about makeup and you want to try something very simple and you don't know how to contour your face, then you can definitely go for it. You just have to draw a line around your jawline, and you can just use a bronzer, you can just use a beauty blender or a brush or your fingers, for that matter, and you can just simply mix it with your skin and it'll look gorgeous, and it's very easy to use. Yeah, this is the shade. You can see it's a very dark brown shade. Yeah, and it looks gorgeous. You can also use it as a eyeshadow stick, and you can I have also used it today, so you can see that it's very easy to blend, and so you can go for it. I think it was for 500, less than 500 bucks. So yeah, if you want to check it out. Now another product which I'll be talking to you about is a concealer. Now I haven't explored much in a concealer, for concealers, because I have stuck to one and I just love it. Now this concealer is from LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm in the shade Classic Ivory. So basically why we use concealer is just to highlight your areas which you want to highlight. For example, your under eye, your forehead, your chin, and your cupid. So if you want to highlight, you can definitely use this concealer. It is one of the best concealer. So if you want to buy any concealer and you don't know which one is good, so you can definitely check this one out. It's a very good concealer, and it's very cheap, I guess. It's around 200 bucks, and in the sale it was, I think, 150 or something. But without the sale also you can go for it, because it won't disappoint you. If you apply this concealer, it won't dry out, and it won't crease, and it won't make your skin look very cakey. as the other concealer would do, and it's one of the best drugstore concealer that you will find in the market. So yeah, you should definitely go for it. Now the next product is a eyebrow pencil. This is from Etude House, and yeah, and it's in the shade, I think, dark brown. Usually I don't go for eyebrow pencil because I don't normally use them, but I thought why not, because now that I'm doing my makeup regularly, or like uh, more than I used to do, so I should try this one out. So I did, and this is what I have used on my brows, and it is very nice because it has a brush also from in on the other side of this pencil, so you can just shape your brows and then you can use the pencil. So yeah, if you want to go for it, you should try this out. I think it was 200 bucks, but I got it for 150 or something like that. Now another product is also from K Beauty, and it's a eyeshadow stick. Yeah, and I don't know the shade, and but the stick is very nice. It is very blendable, and you can also use your finger. I think I'm sure your finger are the best way to blend these eyeshadow stick, and you can also use it as a contour. Like if you want to, like I was talking about the another contour stick, and you can use that one as also as your eyeshadow stick. So uh, these works both as a contour stick or as an eyeshadow stick. So if you want to buy them, you should definitely go for them. And because out of all the K Beauty ranges which they have introduced, this is the best one. And this is very blendable as well, and I think on sale I got it for around 400 bucks, but normally also it comes below 500. So if you want to check it out, you should definitely, because it is very simple to use. So for beginners who are new to makeup and who want to explore and learn how to blend and all those things, then you should definitely check this out. Now the next product is a lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick, and it's a matte lipstick because I'm a huge fan of liquid lipsticks, and which stays on my lips for a long time because I don't like to apply my lipstick very frequently. So yeah, and it's from Nykaa. It's their matte to last lipstick, and it's in the shade Bombay. So I was planning to buy this from a long time, but I think I always used to get attracted to some other lipstick, so I always used to forget it. But now I thought like the sale is going on, so I should try this one, and this is what I'm wearing on my lips today. It is very good lipstick actually, and it is, as you can see, it is non-transferable. So if you want to buy any liquid lipstick which is matte as well, then you should definitely try this one out. Now coming back to skincare, so the first product which I'll be talking about to you guys, it's a mist. It's a rose water mist, and it's from Kama Ayurveda. It is the only mist which I use, because I have tried forest one as well and the other one as well, but I always get attracted to this one. This is a best mist I've used. So whenever I take a shower, after that I just sprint it on my face, and I just feel very refreshing. Or whenever I'm feeling very tired and exhausted, and I just sprint it on my face. And so basically mist doesn't hydrate or moisturize your skin as such, but it makes you feel refreshed. So if you want to try any mist and you don't know which one to go for, then you can definitely try this out. It is one of the best mist, and you can take my words on it. So yeah, I think this is 250 or 300 bucks, but on sale I got it around 200, but still you should definitely check it out. Now the another product in skincare is a lotion. It's from Bath and Body Works. It's a warm vanilla lotion, I think. Yeah, ultra sheer body cream. Guys, I love this cream. This is the best cream that I have come across. So, and this lotion is very good, guys, and it smells so amazing. It smells like heaven. So it smells like one of those cream, like that you put on your skin, and you just feel so, and you instantly feel very good about your skin. So, and this costs around, I think, 1150, but I think there is always a sale going on Bath and Body Works. If you just go to their site, you will always find like 60% off, 40% off, or buy to get to, something like that. So if you want to try some good moisturizers and you don't know what to go for, then you should definitely check it out. Now the next skincare product is a body oil. Now I am a huge fan of body oil, guys. I cannot do without body oils. I have to I have to apply any sort of body oil on my skin after taking a shower, whether it's like mustard oil, coconut oil, whatever you want, but I need to apply a body oil. Now I've been using this body oil for quite a long time now. It's been like, I don't know how long that I've been using this body oil. So if you want to try it, then you should go for it, because it is one of the best body oil drugs, or you can say inexpensive body oil that is available in the market. And this is from Bio Oil. Yeah, as you can see how much I have used, because I couldn't find the new bottle which I recently bought, so this is the old one. And trust me guys, it doesn't empty that easily. You have to apply it every day. So this, you can see how much I have used it. Yeah, and it doesn't get absorbed to your skin very easily. If you are applying this, then it will sit on your skin, and I like product which sit on my skin and doesn't get absorbed that easily. So if you're a dry skin type like me, because I am like Sahara Desert basically, so I need to keep my skin hydrated and moisturized. So normally if I buy any lotion, I normally apply them at least twice a day, so that my skin will keep moisturized and hydrated. But if I use this body oil, then I don't have to apply anything at all. So if I apply this body oil on my skin after taking a shower, my body will be moisturized throughout the day. I don't have to apply it twice. So yeah, if you want any body oil, then you should definitely check it out. Now the last skincare product which I'll be talking to you guys about is a lotion, and it's from Bath and Body Works again. So you can see how much I love Bath and Body Works. And this is the aromatherapy range, and it's stress relief, eucalyptus plus tea. So it is a very good lotion guys, and it also smells very amazing. So I'll just show it to you. Like if I apply this lotion on my skin, it doesn't get absorbed that easily, it will stay on my skin. So yeah, so as I already told you, I like moisturizer which stays on my skin, and you can see how shiny my skin looks. So if you want to go for this product, then you can have my word, it is one of the best lotion that I have used, and the vanilla one as well. So, and I have also some other Bath and Body Works I ordered, and but they haven't reached to me yet. So once they reach to me, I think I'll make a whole video for Bath and Body Works, because I love their products. And if you want to try them out, then you should definitely do. As I already told you, like there is always some sale going on their website. So yeah, so if you want, you can definitely check it out. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe and comment below. See you next time. Bye bye.